and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I'll share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about timing and how the wrong moment can turn a normal job into a headache. We were tapping holes in a run of steel plates, nothing special, a good rigid tapping cycle, cutting fluid was flowing, everything running smooth. Then right in the middle of the cycle, boom, the shop lost power. The spindle froze mid-thread, the tap was buried halfway into the part. No chance to reverse it out, no feed hole, nothing, just dead still. When the power did come back on, we couldn't just hit cycle start again. Trying that would have snapped the tap for sure. So we had to carefully hand crank the axis back, backing it out a quarter turn at a time, and hope the threads weren't ruined. It took forever, but we saved the spindle, the tool, and the part. Lesson learned, power outages don't care when you're in a cycle. And when they hit mid-thread, patience and a cool head beat rushing every time. Ever had a job ruined by a blackout or worse? Lost a tool because of it? Drop your story in the comments. We've all been there. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.